I say pole dancing too.
Maybe it was her mom's. Maybe she snatched it from her mom.
Ew!
We're back.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. So we're gonna be doing the what?
Truth or drink challenge.
Truth or drink challenge.
This is Adele's first time in one of Abby's videos.
Am I really?
Oh,
no.
Yes?
No, I came out dancing in with Wedo and all of them.
Oh no, the makeup one.
Oh, the makeup one.
Oh,
Yeah.
where I fucking look like 21 Savage.
Since it is like truth or drink, right?
Yeah.
So if it's truth, it's true. Like y'all can't lie. So
And if you don't want to say it, was your drink.
yeah.
Really? Yeah, that's
Okay.
drinks everything.
Gets drunk in like the first 10 seconds of the video.
Oh,
Hey, Everly.
just blur her
Okay,
name
1,
out.
2, 3.
Oh, Everly.
It's too white for her. She's a black hole. I'm just putting like a shot. That's not even a shot.
I put a shot there. There, okay. Am I your cool friend, funny friend, cute friend, smart friend, or ugly friend?
You're the dumb friend.
She didn't have to think about it.
I'm hurt.
I don't even think dumb friend comes out. Dumb.
Dumb, funny.
Dumb, retarded, stupid.
No, she for
Well,
sure.
I
No, I
accept
take it back. She's
I'm
the dumb one.
I'm the dumb one. I'm the
She's
airhead.
like it's a funny.
You're the airhead.
Why are we drinking?
We're still drinking. Fuck, I'm drunk.
Everly.
Oh, prom night.
No, prom night.
Whoa,
Okay,
I think you all are drunk. Oh my god.
How did she go?
You fallen in love with a friend of your partner. Has anyone noticed?
So like,
Your friend's partner?
I guess, yeah.
Like
no,
your friend's
it's,
boyfriend.
No, it's your boyfriend's friend.
What?
Wait, which one are you reading?
Have you
fallen in love with a friend of your partner?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Have
yeah,
you
I
fallen
see
in
your
love with your boyfriend's friend?
Fuck no. It's,
I think I'm gonna drink.
I'll drink to
I'm
that.
still gonna drink.
Did I? I don't know.
Just drink to it, honey.
There was too many.
Oh, why are they drinking on it?
Have you ever practiced kissing in a mirror? I've never even kissed anyone, so I wouldn't know.
You haven't kissed anyone, so
I wouldn't practice.
Maybe in my in my mind, like I'm just like kissing someone I like, but
No,
not
but like, have you ever kissed yourself in a
Like-
mirror?
No,
That's unhygienic.
that's a little. She's just like
I'm kidding.
she's like low key drinks it.
Have you ever thought of cheating on your boyfriend/girlfriend?
I did it many times.
She like saying full blown truth here.
Could cut that out. I'm gonna drink.
What's your answer, Karina?
She's never had a boyfriend.
I've never had a boyfriend.
Okay,
Have you-
well, a
have
person you talk to. It's not to be boyfriend.
Yeah. God, a bunch of cheaters.
Why do you think some couples end up cheating on each other?
Why?
Yeah,
Because
why?
it's fun.
End up cheating.
I feel like they do it for the chase. Like, oh my god, I better not get caught.
I feel like they do
Well,
it for the
yeah.
drama.
Not even. I think they just do it because
Or something new.
they do it because they don't really want to be in the relationship, so that they just like they don't care.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
This is for you.
Me?
Do you think you'll marry your current girlfriend or boyfriend?
Oh shit.
You're gonna drink?
Are you gonna drink? The last person I had in my life, I thought that I was like, ooh, I'm gonna be with them forever. So, like, you never know.
Look at what.
Oh, what happened? Okay, what's your wildest fantasy?
I was just
What do you mean fantasy?
Like, I don't know.
Like I wanna be on Broadway and suck dick and blah blah blah. Like that?
I guess yeah.
like I want to be
Okay,
a fucking
no.
porn star and shit or what?
Yeah.
Oh my god, you know what I wanna do? I wanna try pole dancing. My fantasy is to try pole dancing.
Okay.
That's
You?
pretty cool. Exercise, bitch.
I say pole dancing too. Like an acrobat or something. Like try to do the thing on the silks and shit.
And shit.
And shit.
So like
Falls down, breaks her neck, dead.
right? Circus people?
Yeah, like an acrobat.
We have a studio here.
Okay, who's next?
Yeah. Who in this room do you think could actually get away with murder?
I killed a nigga at 16.
Not me. I am the suckiest liar.
Oh my god, you don't know
Watch
how
my
to...
prank if you believe me.
Would you rather lose your sex organs forever or gain 200 pounds? Like, would you rather lose your ovary and not have a kid or gain 200 pounds?
Not have a kid.
I don't even
Because
want
you could adopt.
I don't want kids.
I honestly don't know. Like right now in this moment or like
I
later?
believe so.
Yeah, I'd rather not have a kid. Rather not be able to have a kid.
No.
Because you could just adopt.
I mean, like right
But
now,
what if you want to make your generation spread?
like right now,
And what
I don't
if
want
you
a
can't?
kid. But I mean, what if later on I regret?
No, yeah, like you could say it later on.
Later on, would you rather...
Later on,
Would you rather gain 200 pounds or would you rather...
Like, wait to have a kid.
Or would you
I'd
rather
rather have a kid and then wait and then gain the 200 pounds. Is that possible?
No.
No, listen
I was
to
like,
the question.
no.
Would you rather gain 200 pounds
Or never have a kid.
or never be able to have a kid? Like, have a doctor tell you, oh, you're not able to have kids.
You're
guess
not fertile.
I 200 pounds.
I'd rather a doctor tell me
Because
I can't have
that's-
kids.
honestly, since this is a truth and drink video, honestly, I always feel like that's gonna be like
It's
I
gonna
have
be
that
heartbreaking.
fear. Like I always feel like I'm not gonna be able to have kids.
Yeah. I know what you
I
mean.
always feel like that too, trust me.
Yeah.
I always feel like I'm gonna go to the doctor and they're gonna be like, oh, you're not...
Yeah. Who is your secret crush?
Tom Holland.
It's not even a secret.
Secret crush.
Oh, secret? I can't say that on
Well, drink it.
You know who? Ruby Rose.
the video. No, but like in real life.
Oh, I don't like anyone.
I can't say
I
that
hate
on the
people.
video. I
I
don't want to
hate
say that in the
people.
video.
Okay.
I hate everyone.
What's the last thing you all texted?
Is that?
Uh,
Oh, that's it. Yeah. All right.
You're so bored.
I said yeah. All right.
what did I send? What was the last thing?
Ooh, Karina.
Okay.
No, all the hosts.
Was Abby
Did I
sent
burn
it?
something?
Abby sent it for me, and it said, "Okay, hurry." To you, when we were picking you up.
We were going on an adventure, Adele.
A mission that didn't
But on
last.
Snapchat, the last person I messaged was, I think, Ceci. Looking at it, I already know the answer. Who in this group has the worst sex?
Say it's over. Beautiful girl.
Okay. Yeah. If someone offered you $100,000 to make a porno, would you do it?
What?
$100,000 to make a porno,
That's
would you do it?
inappropriate.
Depends with who.
It depends who sees it.
It depends if it's actually gonna go out live, public and shit.
Yeah, because I don't want to like disappoint my familia.
My familia.
They're gonna be like,
My
she didn't know how to do that right. She's not standing in that position right.
If I were to have people tell me that,
I feel weird wearing a bikini.
or like around my family, I feel weird wearing
feel-
like a bra. Like
I feel weird wearing a bikini, much less being naked.
asco.
Nigga, I don't even like looking at myself naked. What the fuck?
I mean, if I was totally fucking like 100% comfortable with my body, why not?
Honestly, same.
Yeah.
But
If I was Everly, I'd let the hole out. I'd let it
Me
go.
too.
You see those naked pictures?
The thong picture.
Reveals her mom's.
Ew.
Maybe she snatched it from her mom.
Ew.
what is the most illegal thing you have ever done?
I don't want to get arrested.
I went over the speed limit.
By 5 miles.
Know how to drive the speed limit.
Honestly, you drive under speed limit. I'm even surprised you even drive over speed limit.
Good one. If you were allowed to marry more than one person, would you? And who would you choose to marry? Like more than one person.
They have to be our friends, or they have to.
Can there be famous people too?
Yeah. Oh fuck yeah. He's a junior from South. Oh, and then this new guy from Nixon. He's in my
What the fuck
grade.
you're talking
Like,
about? Really?
Yeah, he's fucking hot.
What's his name? I think he's so pretty.
Oh, he's pretty.
Like, oh my god. Oh, Abby.
He cheated on
This
her.
one cheated on her.
You see, pretty boys are cheaters.
Always the cheaters. What is the most annoying thing your best friend has done?
The most annoying thing?
Yeah.
I don't think they've done anything bad to me. I mean, if they did, that they wouldn't be my friend.
Had an orgasm in the same bed as you. I'm gonna fucking cry.
I'm so gonna
That ain't
submit
none
to your
of my
face.
business.
That's.
Yeah, sip the tea, bitches. Sip the fucking tea.
Have you ever butt dialed someone?
I think I have, but I don't remember who.
You know what I've done?
I don't know.
It's really bad. Like, I've never butt dialed anyone, but I've accidentally sent like a voice message
That's happened to
talking
me.
bad about the person.
Leslie.
What sexual activity do you consider totally off limits?
Everything. Everything.
Everything. We are angels in here.
Potatoes over our heads.
I'm too tall for that.
Yeah.
I consider everything. Even touching me, just like, get up. Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no.
Why are you running? Why are you running? What's your biggest fear?
Like my biggest
Phobias?
fear.
I'm scared of ants. Like, I have a phobia with ants. It's cause no,
An ant farm.
no, listen to why. It's cause when I was younger, my closet, like, there had been ants in it. And like, when I was gonna get a shirt and put it on, they bit all my arms. So like, I have,
That's
like,
a tragedy.
so anytime.
What is something you've done to try to be cooler? Nothing. I'm not cool.
I'm just kidding. I'm kidding.
What'd you say?
Huh?
Let's play it back to see what she said. Nothing. I'm not cool.
Nothing, because I am not cool. And I am already cool by myself.
Okay. Who is one person you pretended to like but actually don't?
All of my exes.
Everly.
All of my exes.
Oh Lord.
Everly. I
didn't even pretend with Everly.
I thought you loved her at one point. You were like, oh my god, I love her.
Oh Lord.
Oh, that's how good I am at acting, Joe.
I hate you.
Bitch, then are you acting with us?
Oh no, not you. I actually like you guys. What was the biggest lie you've ever told without getting caught?
My life.
I never get away with lies.
I
Yeah, bitch, you suck. If you could erase one past experience, what would it be?
What?
Prom night.
Prom night, honestly.
What?
Prom night.
No, like what's
If
the
you
question?
could erase one past experience, what would it be?
Erase?
Erase.
Like, as if it never happened.
Like
As it
delete,
never
like
happened.
block.
Prom night, like the after bash we had.
No, I wouldn't erase.
No, I would erase that.
I
I
would, but I wouldn't.
At the like half of
The
it.
part where I had to take care of you, I would fucking erase that. Everything else is fine.
Half of it, I would erase. What's your biggest sexual fear?
I don't know.
What's my biggest sexual
What's your
fear?
biggest sexual fear? Anal.
I don't know. Getting stuck.
How the fuck do you get
Like
stuck?
if he has a piercing and then like it's
Sex.
stuck in
I guess like being raped. No, does that count? Nah.
Oh, true. That's true.
Getting pregnant.
That's pretty much it. It's we talked shit in this video.
Oh, yeah, a lot of editing to do.
Don't come at me if your name pops out.
Not really.
Honestly. I mean, I don't give a shit anymore.
Bye.
Bye. That was like the
We'll
latest
be
bye
in
ever.
Next video. And we'll see you next time. Bye, sisters. Okay, bye. That's how you're ending the video. Bye, sisters.
There'll be a part 2 to
What
this
the fuck
video,
is
so...
Bye guys.
Bye.
I'm fucking tired.
Let's go to sleep.